We all live in one world together, a world of global economy, innovations, advanced internet technologies, and a lot of opportunities to all who have a chance to learn and receive education, explore and understand the principles of prosperity which moves this world. Following those principles, Dr. Ruja Ignatova created OneCoin, one innovative cryptocurrency which is said to be the next and better Bitcoin. As part of the corporate social responsibility of OneCoin, Dr. Ignatova founded in 2014 a nonprofit organization, One World Foundation, which aims to give children access to education and support an innovative teaching approach. The philanthropist Dr. Ruja Ignatova made the first contribution to One World Foundation by donating all of the profits of her book, Learning for Profit, with which we supported our local project and charity activities. All of us have dreams about tomorrow, and we want to share our success with the world. One World Foundation is eager to multiply the life-changing stories of children and youth from the poorest regions of the world. We've chosen to collaborate our first phase of charity activities with SIVA Canada, and we've donated eyesight restoring surgery with immediate impact on the health conditions of 73 children in Cambodia. Together with joint efforts, we've helped those children to see in colors and how different is the world and the sky above them. Our longtime vision is to help children in their education and improving leadership skills of the youth. We believe that we must empower children with the force of learning and knowledge. Children are the future of this world, and it is our responsibility to help them today, to change their lives and make them educated, ambitious, and confident young citizens with enlarged worldwide and broader awareness. We all can change the world through opening our hearts and consciousness. Let's make our world different together. Join us, support us, donate to us. One World Foundation.